Welcome, today I'm showing how to hide photos in your gallery in your Xiaomi Redmi Tab. First of all, open your gallery, standard application in this tablet, and then press and hold for select some photos, like this. And for example, I will choose these 5 photos, and now tap Add to Album button on the bottom. And here we got private album, tap it. Now we got message to view the items you made private, swipe down in albums. Tap OK. We got success message, so go to our albums and then press and hold and release to open private folder. We got message it. And so release. Now we got message privacy protection password. OK. Tap OK. Cancel. And now we need to enter with our protection password. And here we got all our hide photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.